Ibinida ng Haier Philippines ang kanilang flagship products na mga makabagong appliances na may smart technology. Kasabay nito, binigyan nila ng parangal ang mga top-performing business partners kasabay ng pagpapakilala sa kanilang bagong brand ambassador na si Miss Universe 2015, Pia Wurtzbach. Narito ang aking report. New era of smart living. Yan ang ibinida ng Haier Philippines sa ginanap na Dealer Conference 2025.
So in this conference, first we'll introduce our latest products because we are confident that in this new era of smart living, our products have the new technology for connecting for all the products with your mobile phone, with app that can meet our consumer needs and even exceed their expectations.
Ipinakita ng Haier Philippines ang kanilang mga flagship products, makabagong appliances na may smart technology na dinisenyo upang mapadali at mas pagandahin ang pamumuhay sa bawat tahanan. Kabilang dito ang Smart Chill Series refrigerators, UV Cool Premium at UV Cool AI voice air conditioners, washing machines na may color AI at Wi-Fi capabilities, at marami pang iba. Sa pamamagitan ng patuloy na product innovation, marketing innovation, after-sales innovation, at operational innovation, nananatiling kaagapay ang Haier Philippines sa pag-unlad ng home appliances technology sa bansa. Ipinakilala rin ng Haier Philippines ang kanilang bagong brand ambassador, ang ever-smart at tech-savvy na si Miss Universe 2015, Pia Wurtzbach.
Kasi what I realized is home is such a personal space and you want to make it safe, comfortable, easy, convenient, reliable, all of these things. And of course, it all aligns. Haier is the #1 appliance brand in the world for 12 consecutive years. And of course, I'm very proud to be a part of that collaboration.
Pinarangalan ang mga top-performing business partners ng Haier Philippines bilang katuwang sa pagsulong ng smart living sa bawat tahanan. Patuloy ding pinatutunayan ng Haier Philippines ang dedikasyon nito sa paghatid ng makabago at dekalidad na home appliances para sa mas komportableng pamumuhay ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. At yan na muna ang hot stuff. Balik sa inyo, Alex at Ali.
Salamat, Gianna!
Susunod, COMELEC, inilabas na ang bagong listahan ng mga lugar na kabilang sa areas of concern.
At 11 social media vloggers, posibleng makontempt ng kamera.
Detalye sa pagbabalik po yan ng Mata ng Agila Primetime.